And various government agencies have signed an agreement to implement the law protecting the welfare of children involved in armed conflict. The signing ceremony was held at the Social Hall of Mabini Building in Malacanang. Again, here's Elena Luna.
Norisa couldn't hold back tears.
Mahirap pong sumubo ng pagkain. Mahirap pong sumubo ng pagkain habang iniisip ang mga batang nasasangkot sa gulo, na may hawak-hawak na armas at nagtitiis sa pagod at gutom. At higit sa lahat, mas mahirap pong maging masaya samantalang ang aking mga kapwa-bata sa itaas ay nagbubuwis ng kanilang buhay.
For Norisa, it is a dream come true and the beginning of genuine peace and freedom when Executive Order No. 138 was signed by President Aquino.
Mahalaga itong ating ginawang pagpirma ng administrative order na nagbibigay ng mas malakas at mas maliwanag na responsibilidad sa 14 na ahensya na ang Council for the Welfare of Children, ang OPAP at saka ang CHR ay magtutulong-tulong para siguraduhin na ang paggamit ng bata bilang sundalo, bilang tutulong sa mga iba't ibang armadong grupo ay pinagbabawal at ating aalisin sa ganong sitwasyon.
The Memorandum of Agreement on the Executive Order was signed by secretaries and officials of the Office of the Executive Secretary, DSWD, DOJ, OPAP, and DepEd. The objective is to gain support from other stakeholders to officially commit in fulfilling their roles and responsibilities in the implementation of the EO.
Ang Commission on Human Rights is a child rights ombud. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nun, pag kami mga violations, importante para sa Commission on Human Rights to help provide the remedies para sa ganon, malutas yung kanilang mga problema.
An interagency committee on children in armed conflict served as monitoring, reporting, and response team on grave child rights violations. Member agencies include the Commission on Human Rights, the AFP and PNP, and the Office of the Presidential Advisor on the Peace Process.
Sa bawat agency na kung nandun sila sa armed conflict area, merong mga special responsibilities in terms of ensuring yung protection and the rights of children.
From 2011 to 2013, DSWD served a total of 229 cases of children victims of armed conflict. EO 138 was signed by the President in August 2013. For the People's Television, Elena Luna.